you doing, Berto? So we're heading to Friendship
We're headed to Friendship on a jeepney.
on a jeepney. And then we take a stroll around there and find us some food. But we'll go home and get some food.
We can stop at that kimchi place.
Yeah, we can do that. But my wife is going to be mad at me if I eat out. Not
You have to know.
No, but then I come.
Now that she's going to edit this
She'll. I'm trying to teach her to edit, so she can help me do the edits. And she's doing good. I mean, she's getting there. I think she gets the hang out of it. It's a lot to learn.
Well, she's smart.
All right, so we're heading down towards Friendship, leaving Korean Town. You have Clark over here on this side, right?
Yep.
And Mount Pinatubo out there. One of the largest eruptions in the 19th century.
Yes.
I think it was the second largest in the 19th century. It dropped world temperature, they say, with, not a whole lot, but half a degree or whatever, statistically. Don't know if that has any merit, but
Listen to the scientist.
yeah. This street is always busy,
Yes, it is.
really, really busy. All right, wait, yeah, we can jump here. All right, guys, we're taking a little stroll down Friendship Avenue, and I'm going to show you around a little bit and check out some people and see what they're doing, and it's about a 15-minute walk, so we're going to walk down.
Careful.
Yeah, they like to run you over, but that's okay. All right, so come along, and we're going to take you all the way down to the walking street. You'll be there at the walking street. Bye. All right, Tombe Hotel is owned by a Korean. That's the guy I know. Yeah.
Red Planet Hotel.
Yeah. Yeah, down there you have Hilltop Hotel. And I think it's time to do a city cleanup. That's one thing here I don't like about Philippines. People throw everything, just throw out papers. And saying that on the video might not be good PR, but well, then you get to other places that are pristine. It's just certain areas are.
Clark is beautiful and clean. The tourism that comes here, they should do better.
Yeah, for sure. That place was full of foreigners. Full of foreigners, beer joints.
Yes.
Here's another car wash. Busy place.
This is another Bretos.
Yeah. And another liquor shop. Yeah, down here you have several hotels. Yeah, yeah. My friend owned this. He owned this place before. While his partner still owns it, my friend passed away. So, unfortunately. Unfortunately.
On to the bars of ill repute.
Yeah. Yeah, there.
Finnegan's.
Yeah, down the street here, bars everywhere.
Diamond, Platinum Bar.
Right.
Sweet Angel. Blue Sapphire Bar.
Ice bar. Well, that happens. Restaurant business is seasonal in tourist areas. And this, I would classify this as a tourist destination for a lot of people.
Here we have the American Legion.
Yeah, the American Legion. You got it around here. And then you have the grill shack back. Barbecue. Yeah. Nate?
I'm a good vendor. Barbecue, sir. You want to try it?
No, not today. I got to go home and
I
eat.
want to try it. Can you treat me?
Not
Only
today.
hot dog.
It smells good though. Here, you better be careful. Better be careful. It is. It is. Mixed merchandise. So what's in here? Is that a hotel here or
The
what?
Phoenix Hotel.
Phoenix? Oh, there you go. Okay. Phoenix Hotel. All right. You have the sign up on the roof. Phoenix Hotel. All right, so I wonder what this building is. Do you know?
Yes, that's going to be the new Ayala Mall in Clark. It's going to be they're quite a ways into the construction already.
Yeah.
Several
But
levels of parking.
they don't have parking. Well, they have what? 4 levels of parking.
We have maybe 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's
5,
incredible.
6, 7 stories so far of mall on top of the parking.
That's a huge,
Very big.
huge building.
Here's the Church of Christ. Then there's the Lewis Hotel, Lewis brand.
What it called, Iglesia de Cristo.
Iglesia Ni Cristo, Church of Christ.
Okay.
They're all over the Philippines.
But that's Catholic Church too, right? That's Catholic Church too, right?
No, it's Christian.
Christian? So it's more like a Lutheran church?
It's their own religion.
All right.
They have a lot of following.
Yeah.
Here in the Philippines.
Here, guys, you can see a nice view of Friendship Avenue all the way down to the walking street. And the mountain in the background is Mount Arayat. Mount Arayat. We do have a video for that. I'll stick up a little tag on it, so you can click on it and go and watch it. We went to Mount Riot Park the other day just to walk around a little bit. Alright, so this is now Louis Grand Hotel we're coming up on here, right?
Yes, this is the Louis Grand. Beautiful hotel.
Yeah, but look at this mall, man. We're still walking.
I mean, it's gonna be.
I mean, this is crazy. All the way up there, as far as you can see, until you see the sun set back there, and it is going as far as I can see here. It's amazing. Yeah, that's pretty amazing. You know, first when they started here, we were over here at Louis Grand working a little bit, and when we were here, they just had sections of this. Now they tied it all together.
It is one big structure.
I mean, this big, almost as big as SM.
It's bigger, actually. It's bigger than SM.
Yeah, there got to be a lot of square footage.
You add the stories together.
Right. Here we got a nice little nursery.
Beautiful nursery over here.
Yeah. They have plants everywhere.
Remember I was telling you a place that I always come and get my massages?
Yeah.
There's it's right up there. It's called Sakura. Right up there. The
Right.
girls that there are very, 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 very competent.
Right.
It's a nice place. They're very friendly.
Oh, okay.
And
Sakura?
Yeah, Sakura.
Right.
And,
Yeah, look at this.
Beautiful stuff.
Beautiful nursery.
Beautiful flowers.
Yeah. Hotel America. Berta got busy on the phone, I think. Emotions with touch of class. Hotel America. There's plenty on Friendship Avenue. There's plenty of hotels, plenty of bars, plenty of restaurants. A lot of good restaurants actually, and that's something Angeles has to offer. A lot of foreigners here that owns restaurants, German restaurants, Italian restaurants, French, Korean, Thai, and they even got a Pizza Hut around here somewhere, so that's pretty good. Alright, so Umberto's finally starting to catch up with me here. You got a call?
Oh, yeah, I got a call from Italy. I
Yeah.
have to take it.
Yeah, sure.
This place sells good fruit.
Here?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Little fruit restaurant.
Good fruits and vegetables.
Yeah. It looks good. That's one thing, they have a lot of good stuff here, you know, vegetables and fruits.
Yes.
Coming in daily from Baguio, I bet you.
Too bad you walked fast because all my friends were there. The girls that do the massage, they were all outside.
Oh, they were?
I waved at them all. They all said hello.
Ah.
Was it upstairs? I know them all by name and.
Ah. Yeah, that. Hello. That's a pretty decent bike.
Nice. Kawasaki also?
No, that's like a 1300cc.
Big motor.
Huh?
Big motor.
Yeah, but did you see the guy that was driving? He was probably 90 years old.
Yeah, well.
That's pretty amazing too. Foreigner on a big bike. Boracay. Boracay, Philippines.
Here's the ABC.
Huh?
This is the ABC.
Yeah, this is the ABC here somewhere. That, yeah, the next one over there is ABC. And they got a nice rooftop pool and everything out there.
Let me go and hit the ATM. That way I get money out.
Yeah. Where is their ATM?
Inside. There's one out here, and then there's one, the one I use is on the inside.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll wait for you. Yeah, so this is ABC Hotel. And we just passed the end of that building. That's the mall, and it stretches, I bet you 300, 400, 500 meters. It's a long stretch.
Is it beer o'clock yet?
Huh?
Is it beer o'clock yet?
Beer o'clock? It's been beer 30 for 2 hours.
How about we go have a beer?
Where? Kokomo's? Kokomo's?
Wherever you take me. I haven't gone anywhere.
It doesn't matter. We can, well, we stroll down there. We'll stop. Kokomo's is a decent viewpoint. Huh?
Yeah. Or you want to go check out where Hazel works?
Where is that?
At the top of the park, Central Park.
Central Park. But that's up here somewhere, right?
Yes, right behind.
Euro Hotel?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so we're finally coming down here to Friendship by the jeepney station. Been walking all the way up there, and now you can clearly see traffic is getting crazy at this point. Traffic is getting crazy now.
Yes, it's crazy time.
Crazy time.
It's beer o'clock.
Yeah. All right, so we.
Look at all those tricycles.
Oh yeah. It is crazy now. A lot of traffic.
Looks like the sun's coming down.
Oh yeah. It's coming down pretty quick now. Coming down pretty quick.
This is the kimchi restaurant.
Oh, okay.
For 200 peso we can have some jobs out here. For both of us.
Do you want to have that, or
You like some jobs out?
eh,
You don't feel like it. It's okay. This is whatever. Let's go have a beer.
let's go and have a beer, and then we go straight home. We're going to get us some barbecue.
Sounds like fun.